Hey guys, Emily with Tasty Tropical Farms here. We might not be able to grow traditional cherries in Southwest Florida, but we can grow Barbados cherries. So that's what we're talking about today. If you're looking for a nice, small, tropical fruit tree or hedge that also produces a beautiful bright red tasty fruit, look no further than the Barbados cherry. Actually, the first time I had these, I wasn't immediately in love with the fruit, but they grew on me really quickly. So if you're not a huge fan at first, give them a second or even a third try. They're kind of sweet and kind of tart, and just have this really bright acidic fruity flavor. I think they're a perfect, refreshing summer treat, and I really enjoy them now, and I always look forward to fruit on my tree. But wait, you might be asking yourself, if they're so great, why haven't I seen these at the store before? Unfortunately, these fruits tend to bruise easily and just don't hold up for more than a couple of days after they're picked. So if you want to enjoy these regularly, you're just going to have to plant one in your own yard. Barbados cherries are hardy in zones 9B to 12, which makes them a perfect candidate for our Southwest Florida gardens. Barbados cherries have few problems with cold weather, and they will tolerate about 30 degrees Fahrenheit before suffering damage. They can grow in full sun to partial shade, but keep in mind, fruit production might be reduced slightly if they are growing in shadier conditions. Barbados cherries like well-draining rich soils for best growth and production, and they are drought tolerant. Like most plants in Southwest Florida, Barbados cherries benefit from heavy mulching, since they have very shallow spreading roots that can dry out easily. I suggest watering weekly during the spring dry season to help promote heavier fruiting. If you don't care about huge yields, it's not necessary to irrigate once the plant is established and you've mulched appropriately. You can train these plants into single or multi-trunks and even use them as a hedge. If you're going to use them as a hedge, 5-foot spacing is recommended. These plants can grow to be up to 13 feet tall and approximately 13 feet wide. Small pink flowers appear from April to October and are followed about 1 month later by bright shiny 1-inch fruits. Move over oranges. Barbados cherries are extremely high in vitamin C and are even grown commercially for this reason. A couple of Barbados cherries easily provide the minimum daily adult requirement of vitamin C. Fertilize trees with a general-purpose fertilizer every 3 to 4 months to help promote good growth and fruit production. I fertilize mine starting in early April, then again in July, and one last time in early October. I also make sure to add a new layer of mulch every year. Prune to remove dead or diseased branches and to keep your tree at an appropriate height and shaped however you see fit. The plant will tolerate heavy pruning, but requires time for recovery. One of the biggest pests to consider is the dreaded root knot nematode. Nematodes are usually a problem in sandy soils, so richer soils and heavy mulching is recommended to help discourage them. Whiteflies, the Caribbean fruit fly, and scale can also cause problems, so keep an eye out for these pests. Few diseases impact Barbados cherries, but with our high humidity, you'll also want to watch out for anthracnose. Most Barbados cherries can take small amounts of salt spray, but are not considered highly salt-tolerant for oceanfront plantings. Barbados cherries are easily rooted from cuttings, or they can be air-layered. Seed propagation is not recommended as plants tend to have slow growth and eventually produce inferior fruit. I recommend eating the fruit fresh. Just be sure to spit out the seeds. You can also make tasty juices and jellies with the fruit. Well guys, that's the Barbados cherry. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.